The mirror case comes with a bracket that will have installation instructions. First, use the screws in the No. 2 pocket to secure the bracket and tighten the screws first. Then use the tools in the kit and finally reinforce the screws. Immediately after fixing the base, line with the screw holes at the very bottom of the bracket and tighten it. Installation of the gimbals using the screws in bag 3. Align the 4 holes and tighten the screws. Finally, just flip the stand over.